India, it's also this guy with sleeping in the street, flies everywhere. You can see every corner, people just crashing in the floor, while other city have it, but no like this. This is way too much, way too far from being like a homeless. This is a very low profile attitude and lifestyle, I guess.
When I was young.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are still alive. We are in Mumbai and we are running low of energy due to the exhausting tour through India. Probably this megalopolis doesn't really help us to relax, but the show must go on. In this video I will tell you what to do and how expensive is a stay here. Of course there are bright side but also dark side in Mumbai. And in this video I will try to give you some advice to survive in this overcrowded city. Mumbai, originally known as Bombay, it is home to approximately 22 million people, Indian people. Home of one of the largest slums in Asia. The city has a visible homeless population. Individuals and family lives on the street, often without access to proper shelter, sanitation facilities or healthcare. Moving in this city is complicated, although trains are available and that makes life way easier. Guys, are you ready to jump in this massive chaos? Take a seat, relax and enjoy. Morning. We leave Ahmedabad, it's 5:30, 45 I guess. I gotta catch a train to Mumbai, but first we need to go to the central station. I shaved, yes. And we leave now. Packs are ready, check the toilet, one of the shittest toilet ever. Checked on, we leave now. Ciao! We got to the Ahmedabad train station, usual stuff. People everywhere. Really busy, really sleepy as well. We're leaving in like in a 1 hour and the train is leaving from platform 9. We got to the train, we sit, number completely wrong, random, there is no sense. Luckily it was a guide and he told us where to stay. We're okay. We're living in about half an hour maybe. Guys, if you choose a train as a means of transport, prepare yourself to see everything. Annoying people, critical hygienic condition, and the trains are always late. The only positive thing is pretty cheap. Mumbai train central station. 9 hours. My back is soaring. But yeah, we are here. Get off the train. Temperature super warm. My advice is to avoid the tuk-tuk once you arrive at the train station. We mostly walk to reach the hotel even though the place is far. If you really need to catch tuk-tuk, at least get away from the train station, it's way cheaper. A lot of Muslim people in this area. But yeah, look at that, skyscrapers. You definitely are in Mumbai. So like a house down here and a house up there. Down here and up there. Like a small flat. It looks like a favelas here too. It's probably a really poor area. But so far, I mean, probably in other country it wouldn't be safe work. But here in India, you can do it. This is something positive. Reception. We are here. We're gonna do the check-in right now. Good morning. First awakening in Mumbai. First of all, don't make the mistake of booking a dormitory in India. Sharing a room and a bathroom with Indians for us Western is almost impossible. Today we are heading down to visit the Gate of India and the surrounding area. The Indian Gate, that's the palace, that's the entrance, and see it's just coming out. Now we need to find out to get to the Elephant Island. Quick advice, if you want to move in Mumbai, catch a train. Taxi and tuk-tuk are too expensive and the city is too busy. We are searching for get the boat to go to Elephant Island. We managed to get the boat from Elephant Caves, which are UNESCO World Heritage Site located on Elephant Island in Mumbai. It is known for its ancient rock-cut cave adorned with intricately carved sculpture, predominantly dedicated to Hindu god Shiva. The price to visit the cave and the boat are very low. If you are looking for a place to escape from the mess of Mumbai, here is the right spot. We are leaving Elephant Island. It's 2, I guess. We had some food, some jeera rice and some veg biryani that was hyper spicy. And now we're gonna catch the boat. Inland. Alright, we need to leave now. We need to move quickly. After Elephant Island, we moved to Mahim Bay by train. How are you? How are you? Jump out of the train. Hi. Here you can walk by the seaside. Here we go, the promenade is Anglais. Looks like, but no, we are in Mumbai. It's quite fancy, clean, and it's a nice walk. You see, it isn't clean and it's a little bit stinky. It smells like rotten eggs. After walking along Mahim Bay, we reached the beach with the food market. Pakeri. Beach was not amazing. The food market around here is alright. I think it's also quite clean and the prices are good. We are heading back home after a late lunch at the Domino Pizza, our favorite place. We're gonna catch a train from Mumbai Central Station and get some rest at the hostel, although our accommodation isn't what we were expecting. Good morning, today we're gonna explore a new area on the northwest of Mumbai. We're gonna catch a train, then we're gonna visit a few markets, and finally we will be by the seaside another time, but in a different area where there isn't much tourism. After here we started to move around without any specific destination, and that was the funny part of our tour. I do recommend to try this experience. Of course you can do it here, but in different places isn't possible. Underground market, super crowded, super busy. The man in charge is buying pizza, payment, and deal with these people. Then you're asking for a regular pizza and they don't understand. And after our daily pizza we are heading back to our place. We just find out that we worked a lot today. We had not any specific destination, we just moved randomly around Mumbai. It was a positive day, but we had to get ready to Bangalore, another city to explore. What can I say about Mumbai? My instinct is not fully positive. This overcrowded city is a total chaos. Millions of Indian people running around up and down, making a frenetic atmosphere. It is pretty shocking, there are so many homeless here. Personally, I love big city, but Mumbai isn't as cheap as other cities in India. However, it has its own charm. Please avoid to catch a train on the rush hour. It's not a very good scene seeing those people crowding to get on and off a train. Always take a private room. Sharing a dormitory is not convenient. We visited the main attraction and some hidden area of Mumbai, and as a city it has a lot to offer. I'm not regret to come here, but I'm not sure if I will be back. Anyway, let me know what do you think about Mumbai on the comment down below. We are heading to Bangalore in Karnataka region. Stay tuned guys and see you there.